Today I go head to head with the Depointer and Moyaca LED masks. They may look the same, but they're not. I'm skeptical, so you get the specs, let's go. I was browsing on Amazon for an LED mask for a video-related project and wanted the mask with the highest resolution and brightness. But it's very confusing to navigate because all of the listing images are the same and the descriptions are very confusing. These masks let you choose from a variety of static and animated masks and a number of customizations, all controllable via your device. I first settled on the Moyaca mask because it was on sale and a bit cheaper than the Depointer. I liked it right away, but there was an issue with the sensor that allows you to change the face of the mask with a hand gesture. Their customer service recommended I simply exchange the mask as the sensor may have gotten damaged in shipping. So I returned it, but I took a chance on the Depointer version instead. I was curious. As soon as it arrived, I took it out of the box, and it just didn't seem as bright and detailed as the Moyaca. I had already returned the Moyaca mask, so I couldn't compare. So I decided to reorder a Moyaca mask so I could compare. Yes, I paid for these masks. The Depointer advertises 2,074 lamp beads and 2,121 RGB LED lamp beads, but wait for it, Moyaca advertises more than 3,600 plus 2121 RGB lamp beads with high power, high brightness, and long life. For anyone not familiar with LED lights, 2121 is a type of bead, not a quantity. But the way it's written in the Depointer listing makes the average person think they're getting over 4,000 lamp beads. This is not the case. The Depointer has a total of 2,074 beads, and the Moyaca has 3,600 plus beads. This is a much higher pixel density, giving you smoother motion and better detail, as you can see here. I actually prefer the Depointer app, but the Moyaca mask comes stock with many more masks. I like the font options and mask editor better on the Depointer, but you can't update lamp beads, but you can update the app. So hopefully Moyaca will do that soon. So on quality alone, the Moyaca mask is the superior option and is currently cheaper on Amazon. These masks are marketed under different names in different markets, so pay close attention to the specs and the number of lamp beads. If the price points are similar, make sure to choose the one with more lamp beads, as these definitely produce a far better image. I hope this clears this up. If you found this helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to this channel. We're just getting started here, so tell me in the comments what you'd like to see. I'm the real Spectic, and now you've got the specs. See you next time.